Trying to decide between NordVPN and ExpressVPN? I compared both because this is one of the most common VPN decisions people make. And honestly, I expected the winner to be obvious. It wasn't. Both are excellent VPNs. But after comparing the pricing, features, speeds, and overall value, I think most people will be happier with one of them. First, let's talk about what both VPNs do well. Whether you choose NordVPN or ExpressVPN, you're getting strong privacy, reliable streaming support, apps for all major devices, and a large server network. So this isn't really a question of good versus bad, it's a question of value, and that's where things get interesting. If I were spending my own money today, I'd choose NordVPN. Not because ExpressVPN is bad, because I think NordVPN gives most people more for the money. Keep it simple. This is what stood out during my comparison. NordVPN's basic plan already covers what most buyers actually want. Privacy, streaming, public Wi-Fi protection, travel, everyday browsing. For many people, that's enough. Now here's the trade-off. ExpressVPN has one of the simplest apps in the industry. Some people absolutely love that. If you want something that's incredibly straightforward and easy to use, ExpressVPN still deserves a lot of credit. But there's a catch. It usually costs more. And that's the part most buyers overlook. The question isn't which VPN is better. The question is ExpressVPN better enough to justify the higher price? For most people, I don't think it is. That's what changed my recommendation. Start with value. After comparing both services, NordVPN is usually the better choice for buyers who want the strongest balance of price, features, speed, and security. ExpressVPN is still a great option, I just think it's harder to justify the extra cost for the average user. Another thing I noticed is that NordVPN frequently offers larger promotional discounts and longer-term savings than ExpressVPN. And if you're already getting the features you need, that matters. This is where many buyers accidentally overpay. Not because they picked a bad VPN, because they paid more without getting enough additional value. So my recommendation is simple. If I were choosing today, I'd go with NordVPN. ExpressVPN remains one of the best VPNs available, but for most people, NordVPN is the stronger overall value and the one I'd personally buy.